Celebrating 60 years of serving Bucks County. I'm Jill Horner. This is Comcast Newsmakers. With me is Jamie Haddon. He's President and CEO of United Way of Bucks County. Thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
Celebrating 60 years as an organization. I know you're new to the organization. You have just started as President and CEO, but talk to us a little bit about the work that United Way of Bucks County does throughout the entire community.
Thank you. Absolutely. The United Way of Bucks County seeks to get partnerships, resources from the community to meet the greatest needs and key values and things that everyone needs to be able to live a good life. Education, income, and health, making sure that everyone has a quality education to be able to get a good job, be able to have sustainable income to be able to support a family, as well as good health.
So these are national initiatives, education, income, and health, but you break them down and find the most critical needs right here on a local level. Talk to us about those most pressing needs when it comes to meeting the needs of children, meeting the needs of families, meeting the needs when it comes to health care.
Absolutely. Over $4 million in the last year was given out through services, programs, and goods by Bucks County United Way in all the neighborhoods locally throughout Bucks County that have pockets of needs that are very much unique to those neighborhoods. So for us, we're putting programs out last year, over $1 million in programs for early childhood education. 72,000 pounds of canned goods were collected, over $300,000 in prescription savings for people who don't have the right prescription coverage, and over $600,000 in gifts in kind to people in emergency situations that need just the vital things to be able to live.
So these are dollars and goods and in-kind donations going to our friends and our neighbors, and in these difficult economic times they may be needed more than ever, and people may be surprised to learn about some of the needs that people are experiencing right now. For example, every school district in Bucks County reports that they have students who are homeless.
Absolutely, and it's surprising. As a Bucks County resident myself, I just felt a great need to want to help the United Way, and I feel very blessed to be able to join the great team of volunteers and leaders there. And some of our school districts are even reporting a 100% increase this year for homeless children, which I just couldn't believe. And that's why everyone's help is so vital. No matter how large the contribution they can give or how small, we pull those resources together throughout the county to be able to address those needs and make the biggest impact. And remember, everything that's given in Bucks County stays in Bucks County. And that's really important. We need to take care of our neighbors, our friends, our coworkers, because this is our community and we need to be able to be problem solvers.
Let's talk about the area of income. When it comes to unemployment, there are thousands of people still facing underemployment and unemployment within the county. What are some of the things that the United Way does to help?
Yeah, absolutely. We have over 30,000 people in Bucks County that are below the poverty line, and over 47,000 people are out of jobs in Bucks County and underemployed. Or the numbers are even higher. So we try to partner different agencies and try to bridge together those needs in education, income, and health to be able to get good health care, be able to get people trained to get better jobs, and be able to bridge that gap for needs.
And I want to quickly ask you about the idea of getting local volunteers involved as well. Obviously, people can get involved by volunteering directly with the United Way, but many of these partner agencies are looking for volunteers as well.
Absolutely. It's a good investment in our community. And investments, of course, can be made with donations. We need a lot of them to keep our good work going. But you can also be able to make an investment in your community by advocating and by volunteering. And if people want to volunteer in their own neighborhood, then they can just call our number and we can connect them to the agencies in their neighborhood that are making a difference.
Thanks for being with us.
Thank you.
We've been talking with Jamie Haddon. He's the new president and CEO of United Way of Bucks County. I'm Jill Horner.